We are going to learn how to wrap and knit one stitch. This is abbreviated Wk1 and can be found on my Clover Ridge Cowl. First, you're going to work up to the stitch that needs to be wrapped. Before moving on, take a moment to look to the wrong side of your work and confirm that your inlay strands are floating evenly. You may need to spread them out a little bit. When you're ready, be patient as there are a few steps that you will need to take to complete the Wk1. To begin, you will first move the next main color stitch in line from the left needle to the right by slipping it purlwise. Next, you will take the contrast color inlay strands and bring them between the needles to the right side of your work, and then replace or return that slip stitch back to the left needle. You will pick up your contrast color strands, and from left to right, you will wrap that slip stitch and return those contrast color threads to the wrong side of your work. To be tidy, I like to flip those strands up over my needles. To complete the Wk1, you are going to knit that slip stitch, and that final knit will land on your right needle. Before moving on, you're going to look back at the prior inlay stitch and the slip stitch that you just wrapped and knit. Sometimes, from moving back and forth, the tension will be off, or the strands might be twisted. So go ahead and tension everything down or untwist as needed. And then you will have a beautiful knit and wrapped stitch. Now you are ready to move forward as described in your pattern.